In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the HubSpot email signature generator. Whether you're looking to create a professional email signature that stands out or simply want to manage your existing ones, HubSpot provides a straightforward tool to achieve just that. Let's dive into the steps and make your email communication look top-notch. First, you'll need to head over to the HubSpot website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. This will bring you to HubSpot's main page. Once there, you'll notice a login button located at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt a new page to appear where you'll have different login options. For this tutorial, we'll take the easy route and click on Sign in with Google. When you do this, it'll display a list of your Google accounts if you have more than one. Choose the account associated with your HubSpot access. Selecting the appropriate account will now log you into HubSpot seamlessly. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the settings. There's a direct path to do this via the URL shown in this guide, but if you're navigating manually, look for the settings gear icon, usually located in an easy-to-spot area of the web page. Click on it to access your settings. Once inside the settings menu, focus on finding the General tab. This is typically situated as one of the primary tabs. Click on General, and you'll notice several options available for customization. Now move your gaze to the top menu and locate the Email tab. Clicking on this brings up everything related to your email settings, including signature management. In this section, you'll find a link that says Manage Email Signatures. Clicking on this link will open the area where you can either edit existing signature templates or create a new one from scratch. Here's where the creativity comes in. To start personalizing, you'll need to type in a unique name for your signature. This helps in managing and organizing multiple signatures if that is your requirement. Next, type in the content of your signature. This is where you add your name, title, contact information, and any other detail you'd like to include. For a more refined appearance, HubSpot offers various editing tools. Experiment with fonts, colors, and alignment to perfectly tailor your signature to reflect your brand identity. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, the last step is to click on the Save button at the bottom of the page. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted signature ready to attach to your outgoing emails. Thank you for following along. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently create an email signature that encompasses your personal or company branding, making your emails both informational and appealing. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.